Hi there, here's Tom eating a meal at his family's table, which he remembers from being 5 years old.
Yeah. So this is part of my food heritage, my family food heritage. This was our table where we ate breakfast, lunch, and dinner, except on Sunday when we ate in the dining room. We all had our own napkin rings. There's ETH.
How posh.
Yeah, I know. Now this is a silver. This is one of the patterns that my mother had, and look at that. Look at that beautiful silverware. Still use the silverware. And we still use the glasses that my dad treasured with all these birds. This is a quail taking off. But this table is special. It's a
Whoa.
Pennsylvania Hutch table. And
Hutch, that was the word you just heard, folks. Hutch.
And in colonial days, there wasn't a lot of room. So, and these were used also in taverns. So what you would do is, you would use it as a table, and then pull the peg out, flip it up, and then it's a chair.
And you sit down and have your brew.
And a little bit of a shield to keep you warm, you know, against the chills. And then there was, again, storage area.
Eek.
So everything was compact. The houses were small. The rooms needed to be heated, and the taverns had to be multi-purpose. This is so much part of my food heritage, my family food heritage, that I just treasure it and still use it. It's really worked out most.
Overuse it, perhaps.
Over my dad's desk was this painting. It's either the evening or the morning. Here's the plow horses. They're plowing way over there with the horses. There's the farm dog. Don't know much about the painting, but it's definitely part of my family's food heritage. So,
Well, there you go.
See you next time.
Thank you, Tom.